talk a little bit about the struggle with food that you had before. You've been very successful in the real estate business, but food was an obstacle for you.
Yes, this is one area. Everyone was like, you put your mind to something and you can do it. But when it came to eating and dieting, I couldn't do it. I would lose weight, then I'd gain it. And I literally went on every single diet known to man.
Yeah. And that's not uncommon for people, Chantel. I think lots of people struggle with that up, down, up, down, up, down. But you say you have found a secret sauce.
Yes.
What is it?
So what I did was I interviewed over 1,000 women, and I interviewed people who have been thin their whole life. They're not in bondage to food. And I said, what did you do? Breakfast, lunch, and dinner. What did you do? What did you eat? How'd you do it? And then I read every verse in the Bible. So I read everything on food, fasting, eating. And I looked, do you know that the word fasting is in the Bible over 77 times?
So you found a common denominator in what was working for people.
Yes, and so I took 10 of the Chantel Ray rules. Those are all the things that those skinny women told me. And so I wrote them down. So you don't have to do the 1,000 interviews.
Yay.
I've done it for you. And then I read the Bible, which is our manual for life, and looked at it and I said, what is the Bible saying about eating, weight loss? And I put it down into 10 principles.
Well, succinctly, what you say is that it's not what we eat, it's when we eat. What do you mean by that?
Yes, and that's true, but I want to clarify, because if you only eat in an 8-hour window, say, but then you just are gorging yourself and overeating.
With Cadbury.
Yes. So there's 10 principles. That's why you have to read the whole book, and you have to look at all the 10 biblical principles and the 10 Chantel Ray Way principles.